My name is Katherine Ovoian. I'm a rising 3L at BC Law, and this upcoming year I will be one of the co-presidents of Boston College Law School's Plaintiffs' Law Association. I've been very pleased for the opportunity to apply to this scholarship and prepare my materials, and I thank you for your consideration and your time. What follows is my opening statement. Legal technology is a game changer for the plaintiffs' bar and for female plaintiffs' attorneys because it is a tool for the underdog. It comes down to three changes: efficiency, equality, economy. Legal technology will deliver all three, but only to those who understand how to use it. Attorneys who are used to innovating and used to working hard with limited resources. Legal technology is a tool that rewards those qualities, and that is why legal technology will benefit the plaintiffs' bar, increase the number of women at its forefront, and directly improve advocacy and client outcomes. Efficiency. Although all attorneys are used to prioritizing efficiency, plaintiffs' firms are smaller than defense firms, and plaintiffs' attorneys are used to doing everything with smaller staff, fewer resources, but in the same amount of time. Legal technology has already begun to change this disadvantage in resources by putting more hours into plaintiffs' attorneys' days. AI programs designed for legal work can cut research time in half. Zoom depositions get rid of travel time and costs, and online databases make it so that every single file a firm has is accessible in seconds. Legal technology increases efficiency. It puts more hours into the day and more hours into each plaintiff's case, which leads to equality. Legal technology promises to be the great equalizer for plaintiffs' firms and for female trial attorneys, and it's already halfway there. Like I said earlier, defense firms are traditionally bigger with deeper pockets than plaintiffs' firms, and they're not shy about using these resources to attempt to force their advantage. But legal technology allows plaintiffs' firms to level the playing field. This is directly the product of efficiency. More power, equal footing to the size and manpower of defense firms. Cases tried purely on their merits, which leads to economy. This is what it comes down to: results. Efficiency and equality lead here to better advocacy and better verdicts because plaintiffs' firms will be able to go toe-to-toe with defense firms more easily and offer broader, stronger representation for their clients. More money for clients, more dignity, and more justice. Now, at this point, you're probably saying, this all sounds great for the plaintiffs' bar, but what about female plaintiffs' attorneys? What about female membership in the plaintiffs' bar? And the same three principles apply: efficiency, equality, economy. Efficiency. When it comes to personal lives outside of work, women have a lot to juggle, generally more than men. Take a look at the "trying to have it all" tagline that started when women entered the professional workforce. There aren't enough hours in the day. It's generally what people believe, except maybe now there are. Women can work from anywhere, get more done, dive deeper, quicker, and finish sooner. Efficiency is at an all-time high, which leads to equality. It's a very different world now than it was 20 or 30 years ago, but inequality in the workplace persists. With legal technology, if women can do more, have more time, then there are fewer sacrifices to make in their personal lives. And just like the plaintiffs' firms they're working for, female plaintiffs' attorneys will be on equal footing with their male colleagues. Women who can have it all, which of course means have everything their male counterparts do. And finally, economy. More equality and fewer sacrifices will lead to an increase of female plaintiffs' attorneys, and women will take a bigger share in the plaintiff bar economy. Efficiency, equality, economy. Legal technology rewards the underdog, those who innovate and work hard but who aren't used to endless resources or an army of help. Legal technology puts plaintiffs' attorneys, especially female plaintiffs' attorneys, on a level playing field. The attorneys will do the rest.